Alright, so in this video we will show how we can manage the documents in each scenario. So if you go to manage scenario, you'll be able to see a new button there, the docs, which stands for documents. So to edit a document in a scenario, click on the button for the respective scenario. So I've clicked on it, and as you can see, the title here indicates which scenario you are currently editing. So in this case, I'm editing the first scenario. So in this section here, you will see that the screen will show you the current documents that is attached to this scenario. So we have the sample, job description, and checklist, and acknowledgement. This also can be viewed from the user's interface. So newly joins your department has this two attached now. Right, so we have buttons for download and unlink. So download is basically if you want to download a copy of it, and like I have just click on it, I can make any changes that I want and re-upload it again as a different name. Right, so click on enable editing and you can make changes to this Word document. So once it's saved, you can re-upload it, which we will go into it later. And the second one is unlink. So unlink, basically it will sever the tie between this scenario and this document. So let's give it a try over here. Okay, so to unlink this, just click on the unlink button, and as you can see, the message will show the document has been unlinked from this scenario, and it's not showing in the documents that are linked there. So if we go to the IRER user interface and refresh it, as you can see, there's only one document currently attached to it. So to link back the document to this scenario, look at the bottom section. We have upload new documents and link existing documents. So let's use this to make a link back. So just now it was yeah, you can type in the search box to search for a document, or you can just browse through it, and you have a drop down to show how many entries in your table. So if I switch to all, I can basically scroll and see everything, and I can search for the document. So just now I remove acknowledgement, so I can see now that it's filtered out to have the acknowledgement document, and I can click on attach to reattach it back to this particular scenario. If I go back to the IRER user view and refresh the screen, I can see that the document is reattached back. So the link existing document can also be used to attach other documents. So for instance, if this let's see, if this is related to maybe a document called let's see, employee counseling form, you can just click on attach button as well. So now we have 3 attached documents, and as I refresh it, you can see so. Alright, so let's unlink it. Okay, so this is how you link and unlink documents through the bottom section and the button here. So if you have a new document to upload and you want to attach it to this scenario, right, if this is not the scenario, you can just go back, click on the back and select another one. So let's say we select the second one, employee starts the job process, click on the docs button, and as you can see in this scenario there is no documents attached currently to it. So let's say you want to upload a new document, so use the upload document tab here. So to do so, click on the browse button and search for a document that you want to upload. So let's say this document, And system ID is where you need to give a unique unique ID to the system. So for example, you can use underscore. It must not have any spaces. So for instance, terminate letter sample 1 or letter welcome 1. So you need to type in a unique number. The system will warn you and stop you if the system ID that you have given is not unique. So don't worry about entering something that is already exists. It will not allow you to save. So let me just put a unique ID. For best practice, because now we are actually putting everything, the documents to cloud and shared across the instance. Let's say this document is related to public bank, specific to public bank. So it's recommended you put the prefix in front of it. You can use PH or public bank underscore whatever document. So it is for us to know later on that this is specific to public bank, or maybe this is a document that is related to Mesin Niaga and so forth. You just enter the prefix there, and document name, let's say we put wow document. So this allows you to enter up to 100 characters of space. So description, you can type what this document does. Right, so once all is filled in, you just click upload and attach document to this scenario. So this will effectively upload the document and then directly attach it to the scenario. So you don't need to attach it manually. Alright, so once I click on it, you can see that the document has been attached to this scenario. And if we go to this scenario, employee starts the job orientation process, the second one here, you can see that the document is already attached to it, and clicking on it will download the document for the user. Right, I've cancelled it. So to unlink it, you can just click on link, and when you upload the document, it is usable for other scenarios as well. So let's say if I have another scenario that needs to use it, maybe the probation is not meeting the expectations, so I click there and just use the link existing documents and search for wow, and so I have my document there and I can attach it. So that's how you upload and link existing documents into the system.